Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Jonathan. I'm a spiritual guide, a healer, and a medium. To my returning subscribers, welcome back my friends, welcome back. In this video, it is a channel message from your angels, and make sure to only take what resonates because this is a general channel message. Now on with the message. This week is a time of self-reflection. This week is a time of looking within. This week you're going to notice as far as the divine feminine energy will be coming forth, allowing you to connect more and more with your emotional self. And what's really important as far as over the next 7 days is really taking a look as far as what is it that you've experienced over the past summer. Realizing, understanding that we're at the end of a cycle where right now you have a tremendous opportunity to let go, to release, to heal in order to allow you to truly move forward as far as the autumn equinox on the 22nd. And what's important is to really become an observer as far as everything that you've experienced, taking the time to understand the life lessons that you were meant to learn, taking the time to better understand as far as your journey, to better understand as far as what is it that you're truly passionate about, as far as what inspires you. If money didn't exist right now, what would you be spending more time doing? And as you move forward, you're going to notice this as far as being able to clear off this energy. It is literally going to create a rebirth from within. You're literally going to discover things that have been hidden to you that you weren't quite sure of before through having done that inner work and having raised your vibrational frequency to a whole new level. And as you do this, the knowledge is going to start to come forth. The guidance is going to become clear. And the reason why this week is so important to go thoroughly through and heal or release whatever you must and let go of whatever no longer resonates with you is because it is going to purify your heart chakra. It is going to fully open it, because in the upcoming months, you will be called to trust your intuition more and more. In the upcoming months, many of you, as far as your lives, are going to change like never before. There is going to be a major transformation, but it's just a matter of having done that inner work, having let go of what you should have in order to prepare you for what is to come. And as far as moving forward, make sure that it is the most authentic version of yourself that is moving forward. Make sure, as an example, if you're trying something new, that it's not right away about what is it that you're going to get back out of it. That it's just a simple fact of doing something that you truly enjoy, getting yourself in that present moment. And when you do, you're able to calm the mind and you're able to fully tap into your heart. And as you do so, that's when all of a sudden you're going to start to see more signs and synchronicities. Because as far as this inner healing, you're going to have healed and now you're getting ready to start a whole new journey. But you have your angels with you. You have your spirit guides with you that are ready to guide you, that are ready to give you those deep insights, those divine ideas. But then it's going to be a matter of up to you as far as whether you act on it. And as far as holding yourself back, you have held yourself back for long enough. It is important to understand that as far as the knowledge, as far as the wisdom, as far as that inner knowing, it is going to come forth exactly when it should. You are going to gain the necessary experience along your journey. You're going to have to go through certain challenges that most likely are going to prove to you as far as being able and capable of handling this, being capable of overcoming this. Therefore, really do that thorough cleaning as far as healing, as far as letting go, as far as releasing. Use your intuition, sense out how individuals are in places and things like that, and see where there's a vibrational mismatch. And it might feel like the wrong thing to do as far as pushing certain individuals away, but it's the right thing to do as far as self-love, as far as your self-worth, as far as now creating those boundaries, no longer allowing other people's energies to affect your own. Therefore, whatever needs to be let go, whatever you must let go, don't even think about whether it is permanent or whether it is temporary. Just view it as currently we are a vibrational mismatch. Because you have to understand something. The majority of individuals at a certain point in their life, they begin to auto cruise. They're literally on autopilot, reliving the exact same thing day in, day out. And that's what makes them happy. But as you're evolving, as you're learning more, as you're growing, you no longer possibly have same types of things that you have in common, that you had in common before, where now you're finding it more often than not, you're at one end of the spectrum and they're at the other end of the spectrum. That's a clear sign. If there's constant conflict with someone, that's a clear sign to let them go. And as you do so, you're going to notice a lot of light workers, a lot of earth angels are going to be connecting. It's a matter of trusting that intuition, taking that quantum leap and fully having that faith that it is going to be taking you to a better place. You are going to be meeting individuals who are more of a vibrational match. Individuals who are going to love you and are going to respect the newest version of yourself. And not only this, they're going to respect you after you continuously become the best version of yourself. They're not going to be holding you back like certain individuals. So really look inside, see what must be released, take in those life lessons, and then really start to focus. What is it that you want to have come forth from now until the end of the year? What situation would you like to have resolved? What is it that you want to remove out of your life right now? Really become clear as far as what is it that you want to attract in the upcoming 3 months. And just a little advice. Choose something that's going to give you the gift of time. Choose something that's going to allow you to be able to tap into doing more and more of what is it that you enjoy. Because sometimes we do things that we enjoy. It might seem as though it's not doing anything as far as example in our career. But for that moment, you had your vibrational frequency rise to the top. And that makes a big difference as far as your everyday life. It's not just about work. You have to have pleasure. You got to find that perfect balance. It's just like right now as far as spirituality and then your family, spirituality and then work and family life. Start viewing like this. Where is your life out of balance and where would you like to create this balance? What type of emotions would you like to feel on a daily basis? What type of individuals do you want to be surrounded with? Have you thought about the type of individuals that you want to attract in your life? What is it that you're working on right now? Is there something that you're not quite understanding where you might possibly need the help of someone else? If that's the case, open up and ask your angels. Ask for that guidance. Ask to have someone come forth who's going to be able to help you resolve a certain problem. It's going to help you advance past where there was a blockage. And around the world, there are literally millions of light workers right now, just like you, that are going through their awakening. They're discovering who they are. They start to feel this calling, but they haven't taken that step yet. They want to literally become overqualified. It's something everyone does while going through their spiritual awakening, is literally wait to become overqualified. Don't wait to become overqualified. Realize and understand this, that it's about the journey anyways. It's not about the destination, because the destination is always being tweaked by every single action and every single decision that you take. But it's a matter of starting to take that path, the most authentic path that you can. What if someone told you, if you started to walk your most authentic path within 5 years, you would have everything that your heart desires? Because that's exactly what it is. Once you start tapping into what you truly enjoy, once you make life beautiful again, more and more blessings and miracles come forth, because you've raised your self-worth, you raised your level of self-love, you've created that confidence you need, you let go of caring what other people think of you, because you're aware now that your vibrational frequency is repelling away certain individuals and it is attracting other individuals. So really, take care of your heart this week. Make sure to be thorough as far as what is it you need to heal, what is it that you could release, what could you let go right now, and then start envisioning as far as what is it that you want to play out over the next 3 months. If you had no limits as far as what is it that you could achieve, what would you want to have come forth within the next 3 months? Well, that's going to do it for the angel reading. I love you guys. You guys have an incredible week. And make sure to continue to have that calm, peaceful energy coming forth. Because whenever things are nice and calm, whenever there's no stress, you're able to calm that mind and tap into your heart. And that's when all the answers will come forth. Well, I love you guys. You guys have an awesome day. Namaste.